If CapCut is showing the shark block only error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through 2 simple fixes that can usually solve the issue fast. This is a common problem when CapCut is being blocked by Windows security settings, or when your system network cache needs a reset. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to allow CapCut through the firewall and how to flush your DNS so the app can reconnect properly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first fix is to allow CapCut through the Windows Firewall. To do that, press the Windows key on your keyboard and search for Firewall and Network Protection. When the Windows security window opens, look for the option that says Allow an app through Firewall. Click that option to open the list of allowed apps. Now scroll through the list and find CapCut.exe. If CapCut is not checked properly, Windows may be blocking parts of the app from connecting online, which can trigger this error. Once you find CapCut.exe, make sure both the private and public boxes next to it are checked. This step is important because it tells Windows that CapCut is allowed to communicate over both trusted and public networks. After that, click OK to save the changes. Then close everything and restart CapCut to see if the problem is gone. In many cases, this alone can fix the shark block only error because the app finally has permission to connect without being restricted by the firewall. If CapCut is still not working after that, move on to the second fix, which is flushing the System DNS. This helps clear out any broken network records that may be stopping CapCut from connecting correctly. To do this, press the Windows key again, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Running it as administrator is important because the commands need system-level access to work properly. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. This clears the DNS cache on your computer. After that, type Winsock reset and press Enter. This resets the Windows network socket settings, which can fix hidden connection issues that affect apps like CapCut. Once both commands are complete, restart your PC. A full restart is necessary, so Windows can apply the network reset completely. After your computer restarts, open CapCut again and check whether the error is fixed. In most cases, one of these 2 methods will solve the problem. Either the firewall was blocking CapCut or your network settings needed a reset. If the error is still there, you may want to make sure your internet connection is stable. Update CapCut to the latest version and confirm that no antivirus software is blocking the app. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the CapCut shark block only error by allowing the app through Windows Firewall and flushing your DNS settings. These are 2 of the easiest and most effective troubleshooting steps you can try on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.